Romanticizing our life is like being grateful on little things and doing the action that will help us to be the main character of our life.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to romanticize our life. And yes. Nung ano ko pa to, binabalak last week pa. Kaso, naudlot yung mga na-film ko kasi tinamad ako, be. Pero ngayon itutuloy ko na kahit feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin kasi kaso ako nung isang araw. Tapos, kala ko magiging okay lang ako kinabukasan, pero dumating na yung 3 days. Ayan, masama pa rin yung pakiramdam ko. Pungag pa nga sa kaya, pero dahil ayaw ko na parang wala akong ginawa nito mga 3 days, kaya gusto ko i-romanticize yung life ko. So, gumawa ako ng mga list. Ito. So, yung iba dyan, yung mga pang-umaga, hindi ko na nagawa. Kasi tanghali na din ako nagising, mga 8 na. Tapos, dahil masama yung pakiramdam ko, naglugpasay pa ako sa higaan namin. Kaya, ngayon, anong oras na ngayon? Alas 10. Kaya, yung mga pang-umagang gawain, ay siguro maming hapon ko na gagawin kasi malilom. Like, morning walk, magiging na siya, panghapon na, lakad. Ganon. Tapos yung meron din sana akong exercise or magpipilates din sana ako kaninang umaga. Kaso hindi carry ng katawan ko kasi patamlay-tamlay pa siya. Kaya hindi ko muna gagawin. Yun, maybe next time na lang papakita ko sa inyo. So, yeah. Ang una ko munang gagawin ngayon ay maliligo. Kasi, tinig naman, I look a bit mess right now. Kaya, kailangan ko munang maligo. Yung isang araw pa ako walang ligo. Ni-reveal yung sarili. So, yeah. Let's go! Tapos na ako maligo, guys. Kaya, magsa-skincare muna ako. Hindi ko na siya sinama doon sa mga gagawin natin or hindi ko na siya sinama doon sa list kasi parang na siya, natural habit ko na lang sa araw-araw. Kaya, hindi ko na siya nilagay. So, yeah, mag-skincare muna ako.
First thing first, self-affirmation. I love doing this because it reminds me how valuable I am.
I am worth it. Beautiful. Love. I am love.
We can do it in front of the mirror while doing our skincare and makeup. It might look a bit crazy for you, but it helped me a lot. That boosts my confidence and love myself more. At first, I'm hesitant to do this because I feel like I'm lying to myself. Well, that is before. Because now, self-affirmation for me is a way of appreciating yourself. We can appreciate others. So why it's wrong to appreciate ourselves?
Love, I am worth it. Wow, I'm so beautiful. I am love, I am worth it. I am valuable. I'm beautiful.
Second, wear clothes that make me feel good even it's my rest day. There's no explanation for being happy on what we are wearing. So yes, girl, wear the beautiful dress. Wear what makes you happy, and that is our main goal. The next one is doing my goal. Let's be specific. I'm going to review for my entrance exam. Right now, I don't feel like studying because my brain right now is not functioning well because my body is still weak. But yeah, I don't have any choice. I have a water beside me so that when I feel thirsty, I can drink anytime and couldn't distract me from studying. Now, let's start. And now, buying myself my favorite snack, and that is turon. Well, I deserve it. Surrounding myself in nature and listen out for the details in its beauty. Having an interaction with nature will help us to relieve our stress and give us a lighter aura. Be grateful on what you have will help us to enjoy life more, because having an abundance mindset will attract more things. Going for a walk will benefit us in any aspect, physically or mentally.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch without a
Go
jacket.
outside
We
and
didn't
see
say a
how the world
word. Who
can
would
be
have thought
beautiful.
that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my
Earning new
feelings
skill will
growing.
help
I
us
didn't
life
think I'd
to
be
get
attracted to
better
your type, boy.
and more
The summer
unique.
when we kissed, beginning of our secret